Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the air filter on a dirt bike. We have a Suzuki RM250 we're going to be working on today. I'm also going to be showing you how to clean the air filter towards the end of the video. These things come pre-oiled, but we're going to be oiling it ourselves today with this can right here, foam filter oil, so I'll show you how to do that. And I'm going to show you the tools you're going to need right now. So it's a good idea to have some gloves. I have some latex gloves. It's an oily job. You don't want to get all messy. We're also going to need an 8mm to take off the seat, and that's it. Just pop off the seat. Comes right off. Put the bolts in your pocket or somewhere where you're not going to lose them. Push the seat back. Pop right off. Set it somewhere safe. Alright. So the next step is, not every bike has this. You're just going to pop this off right here, this little filter protector, whatever it is. Just pop that off, comes off really easy. So the next step is we're going to take the air filter off. There's just a screw back here you take off with your hand, just twist it off, come right off. Just remove the screw and gently turn the air filter, take it out. So we're replacing the air filter, so we're going to take out the cage, set it aside. Grab the new air filter. Just like this. Make sure you put this on right. This is very important. Just line up the holes. So you got two on this side and you got one over here. So just line up the cage. Alright, so these things come pre-oiled, but we're gonna oil it up just a little bit more. Use some of this foam filter, just get it on there and spread it out throughout the filter evenly. Spread it out with your hands too a little bit. Just make sure you distribute the oil evenly. And you're ready to install it. Go ahead and leave a like for me right now. That really does help out the video. So if you can, leave a like right now. One little thing I wanted to mention. Before you reinstall it, it's not a bad idea to take a little bit of grease and just put it on the outer layer right here, just to help seal it even more, just, you know, for reassurance. That's a pretty good idea, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's a good idea to just clean up the air box while you're down here. Take your screw just like this, just have it in there. And just take it, the fat side goes up, the skinnier side on the bottom. Like that. Just turn it on. Alright, that's on there good. You're going to want to run your hand along the air filter. Just make sure it's sealed all the way around. It's very, very important. You don't want any dirt getting sucked in the engine. So just double check that. Alright, so now you're ready to install this plastic piece. A lot of bikes don't have them, but this particular one does. Just put it on exactly like you took it off. This little lip goes over the top. Get it under this wire, just snap in there, boom, just like that. Just take this. So just install the seat and then you're done. So if you're reusing your old filter and you're going to be cleaning it, what you're going to want to do is grab some dish soap, put it on there, get some water, get it wet. Do not twist it out because you're going to mess up the shape. Make sure you squeeze it and get the dirt out. You might have to, it's going to take a little more time like that. But squeeze it, get the dirt out, then rinse it with water, leave it in the sun for about an hour, let it dry out, then reinstall it and you're done. So I showed you how to install the new air filter. If you're using your old one, I showed you how to clean it as well. So I hope I helped you out with that. Remember to leave a like. Likes really help out the video, helps people see the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. Have plenty of motorcycle content coming soon. Moto vlogs, how-tos, you name it, it's coming. Don't forget to leave a like. Peace out.